I knew that Chrome Excel is Shackleton. Those.
Didn't listen again.
It smells like t-shirt.
Ooh, bad touch. This is the coyote.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Carter's Corner. My name is Ivan. On today's episode, we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to try to identify as many letters as we can while being blindfolded. This should be a different, hopefully fun episode. Black Max Sport.
Yep.
Oh. I'm not cheating, I'm just... Two-shot brown. Weather Shield Coyote Brown. Okay, if I want to say Chrome Excel.
Nope.
Shackleton. Well, yeah, Shackleton and Chrome Excel, they're pretty similar. Double stuffed. Oh crap, come on, I should... Damn. Cypress? Number 8? Pacific. Vent liner. Or buckskin, yeah. All right.
Okay. Oh no. Hang on. Now I can't. But now my mouth is not covered. Yeah, I can't see the table now. Okay. Oh, what is this? Interesting. This is... It feels a lot like Wicked and Craig leather, the sound of it hitting the table. I don't think it's Wicked and Craig. I think this is Hermann Oak. It's crazy how different things feel when you can't see it. Is this just Black Max Sport? Yeah. Yep. I wasn't listening. I wasn't listening. I should have listened. This is a partial? Yeah, a lot of cuts on this one. Can't smell anything because of my face being covered. I really want to smell it. This is... Is this gosh, it's so hard to choose. Is this double shot 64 brown?
Yeah.
Nice. Because it all has different smells. I didn't listen again. Oh, this is, okay. This is much softer on the feel, on the grain side, flesh side. It's a big partial. Or no, is it? Very soft. Oh, this is Alien Core.
No.
No? It feels just like Alien Core.
There's coyote. Smaller hive.
Very used. Very squishy. My fingers catch on the top grain. My fingernails catch on the top grain. Is it? Oh, hang on.
Yeah.
It's very like silky. I'm not silky, but it's very smooth. But my fingernails catch on it. This tells me it scratches easy. Okay. I'm just gonna make a guess. Brown Chrome XL?
No.
It feels a lot like Brown. Shackleton. Those are so identical. Those are so identical. That makes sense though. The sound of it tells me Wicked and Craig. Sounds a lot like Wicked and Craig. Okay, so this is definitely Wicked and Craig double stuffed. If I were to guess color, Mojave.
Oh, that's what I would.
It's small. It's a small partial. It's fuzzy. Ever so slightly fuzzy. Don't like. This is a cypress, isn't it? Last one. Super small. Super small. Super long. Liner. Gosh, I did not do as good as I hoped.
It's like, yeah, it's like a bad movie dub. They're like, oh, your mouth is. Is it, we're doing full sides? What are we doing?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yes. No.
for the most part. Not swatches.
That's a leg. You got a leg. I feel like this has to be max support. Yeah, I feel like that's too easy.
It's too easy.
It's too easy. A little vamp out of that one. Something. Yeah, I feel like the sound is actually more helpful than I was expecting, honestly. I'm gonna say Alien Core / Blood Core. No. Really? Huh. Double shot. Seriously? Well, that's spoilers, but yeah, it's coyote. The top, just the type. The grain side of it does not feel good in the hand. It's like squeaky, but like it's like squeaky, but like chalkboardy at the same time. It's not a good hand feel. Check the brake with my fingers. I'm gonna go for a smell. It smells like t-shirt. The fresh t-shirt. That's not. It's the brand new t-shirt. Not helpful.
Yeah, the actual Bible would have been a lot better.
That's cheating. I'm gonna say Shackleton Greener Pastures.
Oh, Shackleton, wrong color though.
Oh, okay, tobacco.
There you go.
First one to get it. Nice.
Yeah, you're the only one who knows.
Well, sure sounds like Wicket. I guess I'll probably go double stuff. Latigo is not that popular. Yeah, I was like, what? It's really hilarious how I cannot tell what the weight is on this. I'm like, wow, is this like 6 ounces? But like, I know if my eyes were open, I'd be like, nah, I know exactly how thick that is. I'm gonna have to go 64 tan. Oh, wow. Okay, so it is thinner. That's why I was like, wow. I was like, that was throwing me for a loop. I was like, this feels thin, but the 64 tan's been so soft this batch. I was like, that was throwing me for a loop. Vamp liner? Yeah, okay.
All right. Oh yeah.
First one.
I'm gonna go with what was it? The Desperado, the cinnamon one maybe. Shit.
Vamp liner.
Oh, vamp.
Hey, this way.
Very close.
Ooh, bad touch. This is the coyote. Ooh. It's not Chrome XL, is it?
No.
Yeah, I got nothing.
Everybody guessed those.
Okay. Oh, Shackleton. Oh, I forgot about Shackleton. Is this max support?
Yep.
Ah. I have to roll it up? I can't see what I'm doing. What do you mean? Predator?
Can you guess the color?
Ooh. Orange. I would have guessed that this is Predator also. Yeah, I don't know.
Last one.
All right. Discuss it.
All right, guys, thanks for joining us on this episode of Carter's Corner. I hope you had as much fun in watching this episode as we had guessing the leathers blindfolded. Yeah, this was definitely different. If you'd like to see any more content like this, please let us know in the comments. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. We will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.